Welcome back to Mini JP. On today's episode, JP thinks he can show how easy it is to change the windscreen of the R7, and he makes a mess of things.
Well, hello there in YouTube land and welcome back to the channel. And today, well, we're gonna do a how-to video. We're going to install the windscreen on the Yamaha R7. I have my little helper here today. Cue the intro. R7, and we have Emma helping us here today. So what do we need, Emma? Okay, we need one of these. So this is a screwdriver, regular Phillips head. What else?
This one.
Okay, so we have a ratchet here with a 10mm socket. What else do we need? What else do we have over there? Okay, yes, we're gonna need a cleaner because you will seldom.
It will get dirty all over this.
Yes, and we don't have a lot of moments where we can actually clean all these little tight spaces underneath the windscreen. And we have something else, Emma. What is it that we have right here? Can you hand me that? All right, so we have a little Tupperware. So this is going to help us to put our little screwdrivers and things in so that we don't lose them. Okay, the other thing we're going to need is a new windscreen, obviously.
Yeah.
Emma, you're going to help me out with this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these. They're not too tight, so go ahead. Unscrew. Hit it. Go, B.
¿Qué vamos a hacer ahora? ¿Hablas inglés?
Okay, let's unscrew these now. Oops.
Now we need to open it for a new design of this.
Oh. Okay, there you go. And now, you see, it comes off really easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we got it now.
We got it.
All right, now it's loose.
Now it's all loose. Now what?
Well, now we have to remove the old thing here.
Got him.
Okay. So you just make sure that these little rivets or whatever they're called just fall loose.
Ribbit.
And oops.
It's okay. So don't get mad.
And then, oh, be careful not to move these around because they're going to be falling all over the place. All right, so that's it.
That's it for today.
Make sure we put these back into place. Okay, they are back in place. All right, thank you, Emma. Now you have the new one, but we first have to remove these from the old one.
Yeah,
because we're gonna need them.
We need them right now. Or now we forgot them.
I have no idea how to do this.
Engine screaming, fury loud, tearing asphalt.
hardest part so far.
Twist the throttle, walls collide, unleash madness, feel the burn.
So I was gonna go with the all clear one, and then they have a couple of other ones like a black one and a dark smoke one. This is a light smoke. I think it's good because I can still record inside with this thing, and I think this is gonna give me a good shot. Let's hope. Okay, so the first thing is now put the rivets back on. If I remember correctly, there's no way I can do this with my hands.
Shadow free, full throttle charge, master key.
3 hours later.
Well, we are back. The little rubber grommet thing here was a disaster. I tore off 3 of the 4 because they're impossible to put back in. Super hard to take out, but it's super impossible to put back in, and they tear very easily, so I tore them out. I super glued them. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it looks good. I can tell you that, but let's see if it works. I don't even know if it's gonna work anymore, but all right, let's see. At this point, Emma got tired of helping, and I'm by myself now. And let's see if this thing actually holds, because the shape of it is a little bit different on the inside. But well, there it is, guys. What do you think? It looks good. And it's pretty sturdy too. Even though this one is a little bit loose. It doesn't feel loose here. Let's see how it handles high speeds. We'll have to buy another one of these. But anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you liked the video, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it with all your friends. If you don't like the video, well, share it with all your enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one.